As you see with the peeing dog as I'm walking. Sorry I didn't film much of this camping trip. It was more just relax and get away. As you see how much snow there is, there's a fair bit. Got a decent fire going here. Got my headlamp on, so they're my snowshoes if you need them. I'll show this a bit more tomorrow morning maybe. Here's my shelter I made by the fire. The raised wood bed. Excuse me. That's the big logs burning. It's mid-January in Northern Ontario. Don't know if you can see me, so little intro, and I'll show more tomorrow because it might be my last day. Look at that sun. So I'm gonna start a morning fire. As you see, I did have a fire there and moved it up. That's pretty much all rock and moss under here. Bit of the wood I got left, plus all sitting here. A little quick thing of the shelter. One of those survive outdoor longer tarps. Bit of a raised bed with wood I had cut up for firewood. The tree I just got this trip. Then a bunch of branches from it. My folding sleeping pad. I put my sleeping bag away. I use my Marmot Never Summer, and literally just a whole bunch of those twigs and branches stacked over to cover up the rest. I slept pretty decently. Can't really complain. My back's fine. There are my snowshoes sitting right there. Those are good use. My little totes titanium pot with a folding spork I've had for years. A little bit of paracord here and there, but this birch has a natural Y in it. It's literally just jammed into the snow, which the snow is, as you see, 8 deep here. And then this poplar here is just like a ridge pole all the way just to the ground, and then a few sticks across to kind of make it a little lean-to A-frame. Just enough room for my feet to be in there, and I made it short like that to keep any of the heat in more so. But I have no idea when the fire went out last night, but I stayed warm, and I'd say it's pretty icy around there. And there's my pup. She slept good too. So that's evening 2, my little lean-to, and that'll be it. Till the next one, Outdoor Brewman, signing off.
I guarantee that you'll be deceived. On the cause of devastation, mass